I have arrived at Lewisberry Antique and Craft Mall. It's been a very long time since I've been here. I'm here with her friend Santa. Let's not forget Santa's always watching people. So let's go in and see what we can find. All right, well, I'm immediately obsessed with this little rabbit. Little sugar figurine with the red bow tie for $5. Definitely picking that up. I'm kind of into this assemblage too. It's got a little bit, 10 bucks. That's not bad, but I'm gonna hold out. All right. Next, Brins Japan Santa Claus shakers in like perfect condition. $12. That's pretty fair. Could definitely make money on these. They're in pristine condition. It's been a while. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up. Look, here's another one of the lucite. That one's 55. Oof. What about this candle? What's happening here? 21. Can't do that. I'm a big fan of the blender. Or mixer, excuse me. Salt and pepper shakers. 15 is a little too close for me. What about these milk glass ones? These are kind of fabulous. 49. All right, what's going on over here? I'm feeling like awful lucky. I've had a good run of it this week. Here's an Edward Mobley dog. 16. Oop, I'm not in focus at all. That's a really fair price, but I'm more interested in the Sun rubber one. Does he squeak? Yup. I can't remember what the last one I sold was. I'm gonna look it up. So the Edward Mobley one is more common, and I've had it a bunch recently. The Sun rubber one, I'm tempted to get it because it's such a good deal and it squeaks. But again, I've had it a few times, and I don't sell these for top dollar because they are on the more common side. I don't think it leaves enough room for me to get really excited about, especially since I didn't have one that long ago. Ooh, I like the celluloid bird rattle. It's weighted. I said that kind of weird, weighted. Kind of a fabulous pose doll. Well, here we are. I'm gonna go step by step. I can't even look to my right. There's so much happening. This is $9 Lego Japan. Very cute. Is there a discount? And 20% off. Have a Mary. We're taking that. That's adorable. I usually try to stay away from this material, but I like his little fuzz. He's got more of a mustache than a beard, but he's in pristine condition, and I love his kitschy little face. All right, next up, it's a single shaker, $5, $4 after the discount. I feel like that might be worth picking up, but it would only sell for a couple dollars, and I've had a couple full sets recently, so maybe not. All right, this is what I'm really interested in. Okay, so it's $25 and 20% for the pair. Let me do some math on what I think I would actually make off that. I'm gonna circle back to it, but there's a lot happening, and I'm really distracted. Like these, oh my freaking goodness. These are coming with me. These are absolutely fantastic. I've never seen this version. I've had other ones from it by the same maker. I believe it's a Napco set, but these spotted polka dot horses, and again, it's really hard to find ones that have the paint in such good condition. For $8, I'm scooping these. All right, let's see what else we got here. Cute little deer Christmas card. I've seen those bears before. Over here, I actually have one of these. It's damaged. These are the newer versions made in Korea. 25. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that behind. What about this little plastic Santa Claus? $10. That's not quite for me. I'm not as big a fan as the angel. I'm trying to get him to stand back up. Lots of cute stuff, but this definitely pays $12. Oop. That is really awesome. That's actually not a bad price at all. But I think I'm gonna leave it. How much is this fabulous guy? $29. That's a really fair price with the discount. But I'm not crazy about them for that price. And I love the little angels. Those are quite fantastic. What do we have here? $5 and 20%, $4. This is coming with us for sure. I'm also now just seeing, I know I saw the little angels, but this is way more interesting to me. I've never seen one quite like this. Usually see them in the bigger sizes, $9 and 20%, so $7 and some change. I'm gonna go ahead and take that too. He's quite fantastic. I love the fur trim. Let me see what else we got here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I like these turtle salt and pepper shakers too. See the praying angel, I'm not that crazy about it. I've bought things like that before, and for some reason they take a while to sell. This is just a doodad. Back where I found that little deer. Love the flower frog, but again, I've had things like it. I see the elephant, but the frog with the flowers, those are kind of sweet. They're only $5, so $4. Oh, I feel weird not getting them, but I don't think they'd sell that quickly. And then we got some Christmas fabric. Not seeing anything else. I'm still tempted to pick these up. I'm gonna kind of do a lap around before I make my final call on them. I've just had a couple things like it recently, and I don't know. I'm starting to become a little stingier. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck on this flagpole behind me. This guy is adorable. Little Boy Scout, $10. Is there a discount on him? I've never really seen one with this outfit at 10%. So, I think I'm gonna grab him. He's just so unique, and he's a Boy Scout. I mean, you can't really resist that. All right, let's see what else we got. This looks like it's newer stuff on this side, although that plate is quite interesting, isn't it? Reached another little kitschy nook over here. The candles I'm not gonna do anything with. I don't buy and resell candles. This, oh my gosh, how much are you? $2 and 20%. That's insane. I definitely know for a fact that these sell for decent money. I can't remember the last one I saw, but it was I think it was a shocking amount. I could be mistaken. I'm not gonna waste my time looking it up now, because for that price it's not worth my time to do my research and miss daylight. Oh my gosh, so cute. $6 and 20%. Look at this guy. Hold Howardy. Now, I also can't help but notice this enamel painted Merry Christmas dish. I'm gonna leave that for $12. This snowman, oh, this guy's seen better days. I kind of feel bad for him. I kind of like the way he is damaged in his own special way, though. Oh my God, speaking of damage, let me not break this guy. Oh, good grief, please stay still. Should we get him? He's got a little schmutz on him. What else is down here? I feel like I'm gonna miss something. Wait, Christmas decoration lamp? Oh, it's just bulbs. Okay, we can leave that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs here. I'm still kind of thinking about those Santa and Lady Santa, but I'm not sure if I want to spend 20 bucks on those after the day I've had. Oh, look at this Santa starfish. How funny. I love the Junior Doctor kit. And the, that's kind of cute. He's got a strange facial expression. 18. Can't do that. Oh, I've had this one before. Also, can't help but notice this Christmas-themed Ginny doll. What is this? Oh, dang. It's like a football egg thing. What is it? It is an egg, right? It's got a chip on it, but these can sell for a lot of money. So I did do a little homework. Even though some of these in the series sell for a lot, this is not actually one. However, I am kind of intrigued by this Lucky Strike tin. Oh, now I'm just seeing it's 20% off, $7. Even though it's got some wear, I'm going to go ahead and scoop that up. All right, now this cute little plastic bunny, Hong Kong, $2. This is a super fair price, but I'm not trying to mess with that today. But I can't help but notice this little chick. Those bunnies don't sell for much and kind of a tough sell. This one's only $5 and it's Knickerbocker. I think I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it up. Oh, we have skunks, but skunk is broken, unfortunately. Let's see. I also noticed these Santas, they have a little too much paint loss for me to get excited about, even though the price is right. These little candle holders, I cannot resist though. These are really unique. $4.50. I'm gonna grab these too. Oh, I love the little deer. Unfortunately, it's just a single shaker, so I'm gonna leave that one. Let's see what else they got in this booth. Oh, this is a Holland mold. $12. I've reached kind of a dead end here. The little plastic deer is cute, but not really seeing anything that is stop worthy. I just noticed this pinup girl glass. That is really interesting. Oh, Miss America. How cool. And then the Irwin rubber. I've had that so many times though. So that's it for that. I spent $63 in there, which brings my total for the day to $291. I've had a great run of it, but I'm not ready to stop. I'm gonna wing it. I think I might head towards Hanover now.